Welcome to DIY Future Project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. In this unit, we will talk about developing a DIY business model. DIY is the ability to create something new from old materials reusing the resources. It contributes to the individual well-being as well as preserving the planet. What can be done further is to elevate this activity and transform it from a hobby to a successful business. Important things in such venture are resource management, time, money, and creativity. Explore the whole process, especially how to coordinate properly your budget, marketing activities, and time. Create value that could be sold without any hesitation, turning your DIY hobby into a business. Keep learning by exploring DIY future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.